Hello everyone, this is 3rd of February 2025 from Dhaka, and I'm excited to present my final project for CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python. So my project is finding some freshwater. So it's about viewing the air quality and weather data of my current location so that I can make some informed decision like should I wear a mask or should I not go out or go out and enjoy myself. So we'll be using data from IQ Air, which collects air quality data through IoT devices. So our Python script will retrieve the data for the user's current location using an API. The data will be displayed in the CLI and also saved to a CSV file for further analysis. So some prerequisite here. So obviously you need Python 3.12 or more. You need to have requests and pandas library for data processing. Also, you need a valid AirVisual API key from iqair.com. Installation is very easy. You just need to clone the repository on this website, on this screen, and you need to make a small change in the config.json file. You replace the your AirVisual API key with the actual API that you got a little bit earlier. So the program has several functions with the load API key to get the API from the config.json file rather than hard-coded in the source code. You get the user location through the IP address. You fetch the data like lat, long, and other things uh, from AKI and weather data. So you also get the AKI description so that it's human readable for you. And then the display and save data function displays and saves the data to CSV, and the main function which runs the program by calling other functions. So running the program is easy. You move to the working directory, which is AKI -fetcher, and then you run the command python space airquality.py. And here is a snapshot of the information that will be displayed on your screen. So you see AKI 154, which is pretty unhealthy. So I will not be going out. And even if I go, I will put a mask on. And there is a description of the number here at the below. So that's it for now. Happy, healthy breathing, everyone.